Today, I'm going to show you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Under the Customer section, select Credit Memo. This opens a new credit memo form. At the top, choose the customer receiving the credit. QuickBooks may fill in the customer's billing information and email address automatically. Next, check the credit memo date. Use the date you were issuing the credit. Now go to the Product or Service section. Choose the product or service the customer is receiving credit for. If the credit is for a returned inventory item, choosing the correct item helps QuickBooks update the records properly. Next, add a clear description explaining why the credit is being given. Then enter the quantity and rate. QuickBooks will calculate the credit amount automatically. If sales tax applies, make sure the tax settings are correct. Before saving, review the customer, date, product or service, quantity, rate, tax, and total amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Depending on your settings, QuickBooks may apply the credit memo to an open invoice automatically or keep it as an available credit for that customer. And that's how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online in 2026.